Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 11th, 2025, and we're diving into Planet Labs' third quarter earnings report for fiscal year 2026. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Planet Labs has been making waves in the satellite imagery and geospatial solutions sector, and their latest earnings report is packed with significant developments.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Planet Labs reported a record revenue of $81.3 million for Q3, marking a 33% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by strong demand for their AI-enabled global monitoring solutions. They've secured significant contracts with major organizations like the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency and NATO, which have bolstered their revenue streams. Additionally, their strategic acquisitions and satellite launches have expanded their capabilities and market reach.
Despite the revenue growth, the company reported a net loss of $59.2 million. How should investors interpret this?
While the net loss is notable, it's important to highlight that Planet Labs achieved a positive adjusted EBITDA of $5.6 million, indicating operational profitability. The net loss is largely due to non-cash items like stock-based compensation and changes in warrant liabilities. Their cash position is strong, with $677 million in cash and equivalents, up 180% year over year, which provides a solid financial cushion.
Strategic initiatives and technological advancements. Planet Labs has been quite active on the strategic front. Can you tell us more about their recent initiatives and technological advancements?
Certainly. Planet Labs successfully launched 2 high-resolution Pelican satellites and 36 SuperDove satellites, enhancing their data collection capabilities. They've also acquired Bedrock Research, an AI solutions company, to accelerate their roadmap in AI-enabled monitoring solutions. Additionally, their partnership with Google on the Project Suncatcher initiative aims to explore AI computing in space, which could be a game-changer for the industry.
And what about their new manufacturing facility in Berlin?
The Berlin facility is a strategic move to meet the growing demand from the European market. It will focus on producing next-generation Pelican satellites, which are crucial for their expansion plans and maintaining their competitive edge in the satellite imagery sector.
Financial outlook and market position. Looking ahead, what is Planet Labs' financial outlook for the next quarter and the full fiscal year?
For the fourth quarter, Planet Labs expects revenue between $76 million and $80 million, with a non-GAAP gross margin of 50% to 52%. They anticipate an adjusted EBITDA loss of $5 million to $7 million. For the full fiscal year, they project revenue between $297 million and $301 million, with a non-GAAP gross margin of 57% to 58%.
How does Planet Labs position itself in the market with these projections?
Planet Labs is positioning itself as a leader in the satellite imagery and geospatial solutions market. Their focus on AI and strategic partnerships, along with a robust pipeline of contracts, supports their growth trajectory. Despite the projected EBITDA loss, their investments in technology and infrastructure are expected to drive long-term profitability and market leadership.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 7 cents for this quarter. How did Planet Labs perform in comparison?
Planet Labs reported an adjusted EPS of 00 South, which exceeded the analysts' expectations of -7. This beat is a positive indicator of the company's operational efficiency and cost management, despite the challenges in the broader market.
What is the overall sentiment among analysts regarding Planet Labs' performance and future prospects?
The sentiment is generally positive. Analysts are encouraged by the company's revenue growth and strategic initiatives. The successful execution of their satellite launches and AI partnerships are seen as strong indicators of future growth potential, making Planet Labs an attractive prospect for investors looking for exposure in the space technology sector.